meeting of, to guide you regarding your research project or internship project, let me first remind you what is there in the syllabus of University of Mumbai for
Yeah,
any
yeah.
kind of project, particularly. Am I audible to everyone? Okay, thank
Yes,
you.
sir.
So, let me first give you the syllabus where actually you must be knowing we are following the syllabus which has been prescribed by University of Mumbai in 1819. Same syllabus we are following, and in the syllabus at the end only they have given how to make the reference research project. Okay, so you need not have to ask to anyone regarding research project or internship project. And since FY, if I am not wrong, I was after you and I was insisting you. I have asked several times now. We don't discuss those old stories because before 20th of April, your marks to be uploaded on university portal. All internal marks to be uploaded, including this 100 marks project presentation and viva. So that is why those notices has been circulated in your class group, and the teachers internal and externals has been allotted as it is university exam. That is why scheduling has been done. Student has been given well in advance all the inputs. Yes, I will request few of the students who have really done lot of project, lot of research work along with me. I will ask Ashutosh from TY BAF B division. He has undergone so many research project. Rushik, there were quite a few students who have done few academic research paper presentation in national and international conferences. They will also be the right person to guide you, because now we don't have time much for you to give the guidance how to do it, and making you spoon feeding that those periods are gone. And if you will not perform appropriately, definitely it is going to affect your marks. Otherwise, till last year and year before, we have seen many of the student, I mean majority of the student got O grade because they had followed the system. Even last year also we took their internal external, so lot of practice, lot of hard work, lot of efforts had been involved by the student, by the project guide, by everyone. But this year we can understand there is a pandemic problem. You haven't got much of the exposure coming to the college, interacting with your guide. But I think you could have utilized, because I believe the research, when it comes to social science research, particularly in accounting and finance, you can sit at home and you can do it. Maybe with the primary data, maybe with the secondary data, maybe taking the metric or non-metric data, applying them with the appropriate tools, etc., etc. So all the basic guideline about the research project has been already given by University of Mumbai for all the learners. Okay, so you may take the research project in any of the areas which you are interested for. Okay, and it could be on research methodology, that is academic research which we call it as, and we have given your title, topics, everything. And another could be the internship project, as many of the student has come asked to do that. In both the cases, even though it is not specified in the format, if you'll see in our format, we keep after these initial pages, and all we required on PDF form. PDF file is must. Okay, I will upload few of the research project. That is what I was searching, if possible, on my website also, so that it will give you a little bit hint to all of you regarding making your research more effective and lucrative, whereby you can score good marks in the internal and by the internal and external examiner. Give me 1 minute. Sorry, dear student. So this all title pages and other details is already there, how to maintain. Only the signature part will not be there, but rest all you can write the teacher who is guiding, you can write the address, month and year, and the same title page will be there, your first page of the research project also. Before going to index, acknowledgement, and other details, I will expect you to keep your plagiarism report, through which you can show that your matter is not plagiarized. You have not done the copy paste from outside. So it should be less than 10% as specified. You can take the assistance of your all seniors of last year. They also have submitted their project and we have accepted their project, whereby the plagiarism report was less than 10%. So they will be the guiding force. If then, even for the only one thing you may change over here, when it comes to if there is any tables, graph, I will show you certain other project also which will guide you how to go about it. The first part is introduction, whereby you have to have the facts and figures about your research, academic research project. Second should be literature review, and third should be research methodology. Only one this part to be changed. Then data analysis, interpretation, and conclusion, and findings or suggestions. Certificate should be on the top only, not at the bottom. Declaration also on the top. Acknowledgement also before putting your index, it should be there. Everything crystal clear is given. Similarly, these are the details for internship project, whosoever has done it. Okay, there also you have to make the executive summary, details of the company, why you have done the what are the objectives, your role during the internship, what challenges you face, what learning you have made, and your conclusion. This also we expect it should be less plagiarized, less than 10%. Okay, any doubts still here, you can ask through chat box, or you can unmute yourself and you can ask the question, no problem. If not, then we will go for the next part of our discussion. See, these are quite a few previous projects, not all the dates has been given. Please check. Ruchi ma'am and Sadiq sir has very clearly stated in the Excel sheet. Don't ask me those questions, silly questions. Yes, everything you can put. See, these are quite a few research projects of my MBA student, which I would like to show it to you. More or less, it is similar to your, I mean, TY BAF research project also. So similarly, quite a few, I will put it in the PDF form and on my website, through which you can see how effectively they have concluded, they have put the data. So these all are very, very important and integral part of your, academic research project. See, Aryan, abstract to be put on the beginning of the research project, and suggestions are on the end. I think you have not seen the formatting given by the University of Mumbai, and again asking such kind of silly questions. Suggestion is the last part. Abstract to be written at the beginning. then internship project, formatting is bit different. Again, it is there in the syllabus. Please go and check. This is what you required everything as spoon feeding. Internship project formatting is different. Here it is given. Everything I have mentioned, the same question you people are asking. What could be the font size? What could be the line spacing? Everything is given. And several times teacher has also updated you on your WhatsApp group. So you have seen there are so many research projects on different categories. Approx of 100 pages plus it should be. It could be in any of the field, but as already you have selected the research topic, accordingly you should make the projects. Don't worry, these few of them definitely I am going to upload on my website also, so that it will help you if at all you want to get any kind of feedback. Yes, executive summary is also to be put at the beginning. Executive summary, you can put it in the academic research project also. And internship project also, as per your choice. But this all, certificate should be given on the beginning. Only one thing here, there is a miss, uh, you know, I mean, order of change. First, it should come review of literature, because that will guide you how to go about the research. Yes, entire thing should be on the PDF form only. Yes, there are 2 pages, as I have mentioned. Whatever you will write on the top page, same kind of things should be there on the, this will be your first page. And then from there, your title page and the first page will remain same. There is no much difference. because earlier it was on the cardboard, black cardboard. The same thing should be duplicated in the PDF format first, or Word format first page also. Okay. Any other doubts or details? If you want, you can ask. This is all given on the university website. Several times it has been posted on your group. If anyone has any doubt, you can unmute and you can ask. Even Ruchi ma'am is there. If she can also put her a remark, she is also most welcome.
Sir, every teacher has already posted in their groups, whatever groups they have formed with students.
Yeah, that is what. Then why, where
Yeah,
is the confusion?
exactly. And last week Saturday B division and C division का शाम का lecture लिया था, उसमें भी black book का discussion हुआ था.
See, again, these people are asking stupid question. I told you several times. Certificate, acknowledgement, everything should be at the beginning. Here, there is a changes. It should be at the beginning. Do you think the certificate should be there at the end? What to be written in the certificate, that is also there. Before starting your index, your title page, your certificate page, your declaration page, your acknowledgement page, and plagiarism report should be there, and then you start your index. Am I clear to everyone? Yeah, Ruchi ma'am.
That's it, sir. I mean, guidelines is also given. I guess students check your group, your respective groups where your
Just
research
now I've
guides are
seen,
there.
when I went to the personal group, I found there also Excel sheet and everything has been circulated to them, class wise, division wise.
Yeah.
I
And
was just
guidelines
on
be,
this call. That is why I have kept this meeting for all the
yeah.
learners, so that they should not say, "Ki sir, it has not been taken care by your." So that is why I have kept it this meeting.
Okay. And students go through your WhatsApp group
No,
where everything is written.
again, you are asking. We don't want. Is it feasible offline? Why the hard bound we required? If required in future, you can do the hard bounding for showing to your employer or keeping your record. This time we required only soft copy in PDF form,
Okay, sir.
and we will share
Okay,
you
sir.
the email ID. It is TCSC BAP documents, and there, since last 3 years, we are accumulating all the projects. Ruchi ma'am is witness to that. Okay, so there, in that email only, we will ask you to upload all your projects, and that will be
But
mentioned.
students that we will inform you on later, because अभी आप लोग के इसमें corrections बाकी है. आपके internal guides अभी पहले check करेंगे, suggestions देंगे आपको, फिर correction होगा. After that you will give the final copy that we will post in the group where to send it and how to send it. Okay. By the time for the external viva, prepare your PPT and keep the guidelines which I have sent in the WhatsApp group. Stick to that.
First, prepare your project, keep your PPT of 5 to 10 slides, and keep yourself ready for the project assignment of 100 marks this subject. So you have almost 1 minute. If someone has still ask any question, please ask to me, or you can later on talk to Ruchi ma'am. Ruchi, I'm clear. Anything else you expect from my side?
No, sir, it's clear to them. That's it, sir.
Thank you.
अभी बस tell them to just concentrate on their 75 marks वाला external viva.
External also you have kept the thing same on the same date, now. Thank you everyone. Thank you very much.
Sir, external dates are given to them. Internal, their projects guide will tell them when they will take. Every
Okay,
individual
that is
project guide has.
already split. Okay, thank you.
Yes. Huh.
Okay, okay. Thank you everyone. So do well. I expect all of you should get O grade in this particular subject, and few of them you should always get 100 out of 100 marks. All the best. Thank you everyone. I will upload few on my website. Please go and check those. That will be for your help. Today only I'll try.